Otu jet botiful, gloinskin. Yatign elti en exercising. Drink. Un tout jet 6 to 8 glass of water a day. Water will clear your skin and make it glow because it make it easier for your body to flush out toxin quickly. Carry a water bottle with you all day to make sure you all have water on point drink herbal to rote non caffeinated beverage to hydrate when you're tired of water. Yata LTD. LT protein en nutrition fruits en végétables go along wet over making skin glow. Add d'autres éléments to your diet tout ce qui reçu. Omega 3 fatty acids. Are found in fish and walnut, en are especially beneficial to your skin. Vitamin C will help existing pimple faster, so yatigna fait serving of citrus fruits en spina will help. Fiber rich food. Fraîche végétable, nut, en une procès fruits help keep a fine balance en tube regular, no sluggish, int gastro-intestinal area. Yuma look en fel dans cycli, ida champ abdominal complet. If you don't know have a regularity of elimination bar oblique movement on or more every day. Yat less sugar en salt. Try to consume less than 45 g of sugar on a daily basis, en cudon on salty food. Yatignato mush salt can make your face look bloated. Tak vitamin. If you're worried you are getting on no of necessary vitamin en mineral, try taking a multivitamin. Vitamin intended for pregnant women are especially beneficial to the skin. Workout. Cardio make your skin glow because it stimulate blood flow. It also healthy for your body and will make you stronger. You'll se reçu immediately en long terme, to. Dealing with acne. Prevent acne before it start. There are some small daily hacks you can use to prevent pimple before it happen. Change out your piokas every 4 or 5 days. A fresh, bacteria-free piokas can stop your skin from erupting overnight. Keep your off your face. If you tend to rest your shine in your palm, or you're constantly fussing with your face, stop. To along your rank can cause breakthrough, even in small moins. Your hair back will you sleep. If you have long hair, keep it off your face while you rest. Braid it back, en use pain or hide band to keep bang off your forehead. Get your body rest. Stress can lead to breakthrough, so make sure you're well rested and calm. Change your birth control, female. Some oral contraceptive containing estrogen can calm down regular breakthrough. Ask your doctor if it is the right choice for you. Don't pick or pop pimple. Doing so can make infection worse and lead to permanent scarring. Sa dermatologist. If you can get the problem under control by yourself, visit a doctor. Norche can prescribe sur you treatment such as cutane, roten or red blue light treatment. Consider a salicylic acid face wash. Some anti-acne face cleanser contain salicylic acid, which kills bacteria that can cause acne. To prevent drying out your face, start using a salicylic acid wash only in the morning and if that sufficient. If you still need more help, use it at night as well. Use spot treatment. There are several products that you can use to active to reduce redness and kill bacteria. Two of the most popular are salicylic acid gel and benzoyl peroxide cream. For extra help, try using bot formulation. Bavarta benzoyl peroxide camblier en clothing. Building a routine. Wash your face at night. Over the course of the day, make-up, dear, and all be up on your face. Make cleansing your skin part of your bedtime routine. Use make-up remove. No only do it prevent it from clogging up your pore and causing breakthrough while you sleep, it also stop you from smearing bacteria on your pio, or it can get into your skin night after night. Use a gentle soap. Remember that you want to clean your skin, no completely strip it off at all. If it feels tight and dry after washing, you're using something too strong. Avoid the area. The skin around you can be too delicate for most cleanser. Rinse or be splashy water on your face. Using a washcloth or right or ugly wipe your skin clean can irritate it more. Instead, Ban your face over te 5, cup your antogt, embring, ups malamou un of water to splash over your face. Aboudis splash should do it. Pat dry. Don rouglir rub your skin dry with at oil. Instead, dry it with small, gentle power let it air dry. Apply toner. A toner remove excess oil and air from your skin that so missed, in addition to closing your pore. No everyone need to use a toner, but some people find it helpful. Puis a fait drop onto a cotton ball or pad. Sweep it lightly over your skin. Only use astringent if your skin is exceptionally oily. Astringent et astronge type of toneta can up to 60% alcohol. If your skin tend to be dry, using astringent could actually cause acne by driving your oil gland to overcompensate. Which has a natural alternative to buying synthetic toner bar oblique astringent. Consider applying toner to only area of your skin that tend to break out. For instance, you might only use it on your nose or forehead. Smooth ton some moisturizer. Using a lotion in morning act a primer for your makeup, helping it stick to your face through good day. Moisturizing a night help your skin repair itself instead of every wrinkle. Bottom line, one of the best thing you can do for glowing skin over the long term. Consider using a light moisturizer during the day. If you prone to break out, safety cream moisturizer for night time and use a light or gel moisturizer during the day. Don't forget your neck and décolletage. Area can get super dry and irritated if you never moisturize them. Exfoliaton saveik. If your skin tend to be dry and flaky, avec l'exfoliation can clear out the skin cell. Fin en exfoliant à super fine grain, and on rub it roughly into your skin, use light pressure and gentle motion. A simple scrub of sugar mixed with an agrea exfoliator. Rinse it off with warm water. You could also exfoliate with a dry brush made forte face. Brush your face using a small, circular motion. Protect your skin from sun. Avoid glittery, tugs can be applying a light sunscreen every time you plan to bootzid. The lack of sun damage will keep your skin dry and supple for years to come. Remember, it only take 15 minutes to get a sunburn, so be prepared. Stick to SPF 30, anything 2 et 1 have much more benefit. Si rush to makeup as le force spray on sunscreen tar light and dry. Use a foundation or tinted moisturizer with sunscreen, so your face is already covered.